Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lynwood, local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the right cheap Lynwood moving company means you need to work with 3 Movers. We provide moving services for local and long-distance moves. Our teams will make sure you get settled into your new home or office fast. When you need to move across the country or just one state over, we're here to help. Our long-distance moving team will make sure your items show up on time. We offer all the necessary services, including packing, unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a California moving company may not seem necessary for your local move. However, there are some very valuable benefits to allowing professionals to handle your move. Not only will you save time, but you'll also trust your more fragile items in the hands of professionals. Plus, you won't have to do any heavy lifting, which saves you from the possibility of injury from your move. Choosing the right local movers, such as 3 Movers, means you get your move done faster. We can help streamline your move and work faster than likely you can. A move that might take you an entire weekend, we can complete in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lynwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.